What is a broadside collision?
Hi everybody, and welcome back to another one of our frequently asked questions. I'm Bill Adler, and today we're talking about T-bone collisions, where the front of one vehicle hits the side of another vehicle. These can be very, very serious accidents.
In a broadside, or T-bone collision, one car runs into the side of another car. That means one of those drivers was probably in the intersection when they weren't supposed to be. Because traffic signals and basic rules of the road are designed to keep cross-traffic from mingling, a broadside collision is extremely unlikely if everybody is following traffic laws. Broadsides can happen when one or more of the drivers involved drives drunk, tired, or distracted, runs a light, or turns left without checking carefully enough. Unfortunately, these are often serious accidents. Passenger vehicles are engineered to withstand a head-on crash, but protection on the side is limited. When side airbags can't withstand the force of a crash, there's not much between the broken glass and metal and the bodies of the people inside. To make matters worse, these accidents often happen at high speeds, since they are the result of someone failing to yield the right-of-way. That speed brings greater force to the crash, and also may push the second vehicle into another car or object. The result is often serious injuries, including broken bones, spinal damage, brain injuries, severe burns, and whiplash. These are life-altering injuries which may lead to disability, disfigurement, or chronic pain. They require serious medical treatment, which can be very expensive. The at-fault driver's auto insurance is supposed to cover that, but sometimes insurance companies refuse to pay what they owe. That's why victims of broadside crashes should consider a car crash lawsuit. Here in Texas, you can claim compensation for your injuries, pain, and suffering, and any loss of a loved one. An experienced car wreck lawyer can help you document all of those injuries and prove them in court. They can also protect you from pushy or lying insurance companies and make sure you have a fair chance to claim the compensation you need.
If you or someone you know was hurt in a T-bone collision in Texas, don't hesitate to call Jim Adler and Associates for help. We've hammered insurance companies for more than 40 years to get our clients the money they need. For a free confidential consultation, call us today at 800-567-7575 or find us on the web at jimadler.com.